So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a USD savings account or a US dollar savings account in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on the home page. Once you're on the home page, just scroll down a little bit here to where it says open or move account, and then select that, and then select open a new account. Once you're on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options here at the top. So you can simply just scroll down a bunch of different options here, or you can go to where it says invest or where it goes to spend right here. Then you can scroll down right here to where it says save and then USD savings account, earn high interest on your US dollars, no monthly fees. Select that. Then once you're here, you can read all about the US dollar savings account. So if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press open an account, and then proceed that way. So that's how you guys can open a USD savings account in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.